tactical safety here again. Today we're going to talk about the new Ruger. It's not brand new, but it came out in, I believe it was 2018 or 19. The Ruger Mark IV Tactical. Now, its predecessors, obviously the Mark I, Mark II, Mark III. Those firearms, excellent weapons, but the drawback, the chief complaint of those was the complexity of the disassembly and cleaning. So Ruger listened to everyone and then they re-engineered it, hence Mark IV. I'm going to show you how to disassemble this firearm. Now this firearm, it's a tactical 22 long rifle, comes with 10 round mags, and it comes with Picatinny rail, top and bottom. Also comes with threaded barrel, so you can use your favorite suppressor, which I prefer the Dead Air Mask 22. So this firearm, of course, we ensure all firearms are unloaded, which it is. So with this firearm, the thing is, it has a single button takedown right at the rear. So for this one, you have to have it on safety, because if it's on fire, you cannot even depress the button. So you have to flip it to safe, and it has ambidextrous safety, which is excellent. And then from there, you push the lever in, push the button in, and then it comes up, and then you can remove the entire slide from the frame, just like so. And to clean this firearm, now you remove right here, you remove your bolt assembly, and this still has some grease in from before because I use this excellent silicone grease, and this one's not going to require a lot of cleaning. It's just a little bit dirty around here where the firing pin is. So what we're going to do is take one of these cotton squares here. I typically like to fold these in half, and they have a bunch of different types of gun lubrication oil. Hops is what I use most of the time. They're all pretty similar. So from here, get all this powder off, get all this crud off here, because as most people know, 22 long rifle round is a dirty round. But it's very cheap to shoot, and it's a lot of fun to shoot, because you can shoot 22 long rifle all day and spend very little money. 22 long rifle rounds now are an average of 8 to 10 cents a round, compared to 9mm, which is about 30-35 cents a round. So this cotton square is dirty already, so we're going to go ahead and grab another one. You do this a few times, and then once it's lubed up sufficiently, then you can reassemble your weapon. And remember, I don't just play an NRA instructor on YouTube. I really am one. This is good. And then we're going to look in here. This does not have any lint or dust in it because this is not one of my designated carry weapons. And like I said before, my rule of thumb is this. My carry firearms, even if I carry it just a couple of times a month, I still clean those firearms at least once a month or immediately after shooting, whichever one comes first. Non-carry weapons, such as the Ruger Mark IV, clean them at least every 2 months or immediately after shooting, whichever one comes first. And this is good and lubed. Now we're going to look at main assembly here. This actually is not dirty at all. It has excellent grease in it still from before, so we don't even need to do anything with this. So I'm going to put the bolt assembly back in. Goes in like this. Only goes in one way, because if you try and put it in the opposite way, it's not going to seat. It's only going to go as far as right here. You see that? So there's no way you can mess it up. Put that in all the way. And then from here, see this little hook part right here? That's the part that hooks into right here on the frame. Get that in there. And then line this part up with the hole. And then from here, boom, clicks right in place. And you want to put the slide back, make sure it functions like it's supposed to. Yep, locks back like it's supposed to. And it falls forward like it's supposed to. And I'm going to put an empty magazine in, make sure the slide locks back still, which it does. And there you have it, the Ruger Mark IV Tactical. And remember to stay armed, stay vigilant, and stay tactical. We'll see you next time.